Greetings, we are the Capybaras. We comprise 4 students of Taylor's University who all have a knack for coding and UI UX designing. Look around in Malaysia and you're likely to see a huge handful of people smoking on the streets. In fact, statistics show that 22.8% of Malaysians aged above 15 are smokers and over 20,000 deaths a year are a result of smoking, where other grey area figures may not even be accounted for. From just this alone, we can visualize the detrimental impact smoking has even on as young as teenagers. We aim to fulfill SDG 3.A by strengthening the implementation of the World Health Organization Framework Convention on Tobacco Control around the world for a good health and well-being for all. And SDG 4.7, where by the year 2030, all learners can acquire thorough and accurate knowledge and skills to promote sustainable development.
Introducing our comprehensive smoking cessation app, a holistic solution designed to equip users with all the tools essential for a successful journey towards a smoke-free life. First, the user is asked to input some basic information such as their name, contact number, and date of birth. Next, the user will be prompted to input their gender, height, and weight. Smoking history of the user is then obtained. Details such as cigarette smoking history and price of the cigarettes are essential to personalize the user experience. Users are able to embark on their smoke-free journey with our interactive progress tracker page, meticulously designed to capture milestones and smoking history, keeping track of all the times the user have managed to abstain from smoking. But that's not all. Delve into our savings page, a dedicated space revealing the financial impact of your success. Discover the power of support in our community hub. User can engage in open and empathetic conversations with a community of like-minded individuals who understand the unique challenges of quitting smoking. The supportive forum is designed to foster connection, share experiences, and provide a safe space for encouragement throughout their smoke-free journey. The users can join hands with others on the same path. Through the Discover page, the user can discover various types of smoking recovery activities through our app. The app enables users to discover nearby smoking recovery campaigns or rehab centers through the use of Google Maps API or through a list view that they can search through. A descriptive view of the recovery center can be seen with information such as location and other attributes. When you switch to the map view, the user is able to scroll through all the nearby centers and select them to be able to see more details, as well as go to their website or take them to the Google Maps to navigate to the specified location.
Here we have the health tracker section of our application, which shows the users a timeline of how their body improves at each milestone after quitting. Next, we have a breathing exercise section of the application to help users energize themselves via a short exercise that they can follow along. Lastly, we have the tips page that gives users daily tips on what they can do to combat their addiction better, as well as a bonus tip to help further assist the user in their journey. As for the technology stack in our application, we used 4 Google technologies. For the front end, we used Flutter to design and code the application and Firebase for our database. We also used Google Maps API for our Discover function and Google Analytics to record usage data and store it. Some real-world feedback that we received for our application was that users often forget to use the application regularly, and that it would be helpful to have notifications and reminders to keep them on track, which we addressed by implementing customizable reminders and notifications. For users that need immediate assistance, we included an emergency button that helps the users gain access to emergency services and emergency contacts in time of distress. And lastly, users needed more information on the health benefits of quitting, which we addressed by our health section, which showcases a timeline of how their body improves during certain milestones after quitting.
The challenges we as a team faced in terms of hard coding consisted of unfamiliarity with Flutter, as we were completely new to the programming language, and implementation of app navigation bar resulted in us changing to the default Material 3 navigation bar due to difficulties in implementation. Now, how do you know our solution solves the problem? Well, the app supports SDG 3.A by aiding in smoking addiction recovery and promotes SDG 4.7 through accessible content on sustainable living post-tobacco. Our goal is to boost Malaysia's smoker quit rate by 10% from industry sources and analyze user engagement through metrics like active users, session duration, and login frequency. The future prospects we plan to take for our application consist of partnering with NGOs in Malaysia and potentially expanding further. We aim to boost the visibility of recovery organizations, set up a user profiling system in Firebase to store preferences, track user engagement using Google Analytics for Firebase. That will conclude our proposal. Thank you.